Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Libra, let's see what's coming or what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months. From the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yun, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. So, yung link kung paano makapag-book ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, Libra, let's see changes in the next 6 months for you. Yang energy. So, I think ngayon, in the next 6 months, magiging action-oriented. Malakas ang loob. So, yung iba sa inyo na nagpo-procrastinate, na naghihintay ng opportunities, mag-iiba na yan. Kasi mas kayo na yung magpupursue. Oo, kayo na yung hahanap ng opportunities. You have round and round. So, meron mga bagay na paulit-ulit mangyayari sa'yo in the next 6 months. Ano yon? Anong area of life yan? Ooh, 8th house. This is about transformation. So, endings and new beginnings, no? Medyo challenging to, no? To be honest, Libra. Kasi ito yung tipong hanggat hindi mo natututunan yung lesson, paulit-ulit na mangyayari sa'yo. So, kung ano man yung mga bagay na makulit ka, or yung tipong alam mo na hindi nakakabuti sa'yo, gagawin mo pa rin. Kasi nga, hindi ka pa natututo dun sa lesson na yun. Hanggang sa ma-realize mo na, teka, parang cycle na lang to, paulit-ulit na lang to eh. So, pag na-realize mo na yun, ika-cut mo na yun, titigil ka na. So, hindi na yan uulit. You have why. Ayan. So, meron kang mga i-research, aalamin, no? Pwedeng yung mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo or yung mga interesado ka na gusto mo pa ng kasagutan, malaman yung parang masatisfy ang iyong curiosity. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring related to sa spirituality, sa inyong belief system, but yung iba naman, meron lang kayong interest ngayon na gusto nyo pang palawigin ang inyong kaalaman. Kaalaman. Let's see, ano pa? Libra. So, you have, this is your energy. Very in tune kayo sa inyong energy in the next 6 months. Mas balanced, no? Socially aware. And also, may pagka-aesthetic. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring aayusin nyo ang inyong pananamit, yung inyong grooming, yung styling ninyo. Mas aalagaan nyo yung inyong sarili. You also, diba? Pag-aalaga sa sarili, you have Venus energy. So, ang ruler ng Libra is Venus. So, you will focus on your beauty, your aesthetics. Yan. Gusto mo ngayon mas maging attractive ka. So, I think meron ka mga gagawing changes sa iyong sarili para mas maging attractive ka. I-improve mo ang iyong sarili. So, yung iba, kung ang goal ninyo is maging fit and sexy, ganyan, healthy. So, in the next 6 months, yan yung ipupurso ninyo para mas maging, good looking and confident kayo. You have the cloud. Itong cloud, di ba, ito yung parang energy na medyo naguguluhan ka sa mga decision mo or sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. Oo. So, I think in the next 6 months, mas magiging clear sa'yo yung gusto mo. Okay? So, this is about being conscious in your creativity. And I also see you na mas magiging very parang imaginative. Oo. Marami kang may isip na ideas to improve yourself, to improve your career. You also have Scorpion energy. So, ang energy ng Scorpion is about knowing the truth. Also, protecting yourself. So, I think meron kang mga gagawing rituals, no, to protect yourself. Mga prayers, affirmations, or even using mga different forms of divination, mga crystals, or mga kung ano-anong rituals to protect your energies, no? O pwedeng gumamit ka rin ng mga ibang gamit, no, para gumamit ng ibang gamit. May mga tools para maprotektahan yung sarili mo against the negative energies. And this is also being more passionate in what you do and what you love, no? So talagang, since you are going to be more passionate, mas gusto mong alamin, i-research ang iba pang interest na meron ka. Let's see. You have the Ace of Pentacles, new career, opportunity, new business. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-i-invest sa real estate. Bibili ng lupa, bibili ng bahay, paparentahan. You have the Nine of Pentacles. So, this is a pre-Empress energy. So, ibig sabihin yan, abundance, no? You have more than enough that you need. If you are single, meron ditong satisfaction na ma-realize mo, ay, buti na lang single ako, or buti na lang wala ako masyadong responsibilities kasi kayang-kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo. You also have the Hermit. So, this is energy ng Virgo. This is self-reflection, reassessing your situation. Wow, you have the Sun. This is happiness. You also have the Eight of Cups. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-reassess na situation. This can be a relationship, no? Na feeling mo, na lang, paikot-ikot or paulit-ulit na lang nagiging problema nyo na hindi nyo na nasusolusyonan. Na maaring ang best solution is to just let it go or get away from that situation. So, iba sa inyo, dun kayo makakahanap ng happiness or peace. Oo, the moment na umalis kayo sa isang toxic situation, magkakaroon kayo ng clarity dyan. Yung iba naman sa inyo can be a career or business na medyo toxic na, you feel like wala ka ng oras at panahon sa sarili mo, hindi na siya balance, no? So, maaring maghahanap ka ng ibang oportunidad na kung saan pwede ka pa rin kumita ng pera and at the same time, balance yung oras at panahon mo sa sarili mo, sa family mo, at sa career mo. Importante kasi ganun kasi madaling ma-burnout, no? Ang isang tao kapag pagising mo sa umaga, iniisip mo agad puro trabaho hanggang sa pag-uwi mo, hanggang sa panaginip mo, puro trabaho pa rin, 'di ba? Tingnan mo, Eight of Pentacles, puro trabaho talaga. Yan. And the Six of Pentacles. So, in the next 6 months, ano man ang bigyan mo ng attention at focus sa career mo, meron kang reward na makukuha dyan. Kumbaga, you will get what you deserve. So, syempre, kung nagsipag ka, meron kang makukuhang reward doon. Pero kung medyo tinamad ka, di syempre, walang aasahan. So, mas maganda rito na maging focus ka sa iyong finances at mag-focus sa mga interest mo kasi doon ka mas magiging successful. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!